Structure of mutual funds in India. An introduction. Mutual fund investors mainly knows the asset management company. Why? Because investors buy open-ended mutual fund schemes from them. There are other parties involved in mutual fund setup so that investors' interests are protected. To understand the basic setup of mutual funds in India, let's look back to the definition of the mutual fund from SEBI's Mutual Fund Regulation 1996. As per SEBI, mutual fund means a fund established in the form of a trust to raise monies through the sale of units to the public or a section of the public under one or more schemes for investing in securities including money market instruments or gold related instruments or real estate assets. So mutual funds means a fund established in the form of a trust. This trust has four main bodies: trustees, sponsor, asset management company and custodian. Securities and Exchange Board of India regulates the mutual fund industry to protect the interest of investors. Association of Mutual Funds of India and trustees of said mutual funds keep an eye on asset management company. Asset management company performs day-to-day operation of the mutual fund schemes. AMC collects monies from the investors to invest in the market as per the scheme objective. Now let's see it in a diagram to understand clearly. So here in this diagram you can see mutual fund as a trust. It has AMC, sponsor, trustees and custodian. But when it comes to day-to-day operation of the mutual fund, AMC is the one who actually interacts with investors. So AMC collects money from investors and then based on the scheme objective, it invests, and then when return generates, investors' portfolio value increases. So sponsor is a main person. Sponsor is a promoter of the mutual funds. So sponsor needs to make an application to SEBI for registration of mutual fund. Trustees plays a crucial role in the mutual fund setup. Their primary role is to ensure that the mutual fund complies with the regulations and to protect the interest of the unit holders. Before appointing a trustee, sponsor has to take prior approval from SEBI. Asset management company. AMC plays key role in the mutual fund setup. AMC handles day-to-day operation of the fund. Appointment of asset management company can be made by sponsor or by the trustees if authorized by the trust deed. Custodian. As defined in the SEBI Mutual Fund Regulation 1996, custodian means a person who has been granted a certificate of registration to carry on the business of custodian of securities under the Securities and Exchange Board of India. Custodian of Securities Regulation 1996. So basically custodian keeps custody of securities. It is not all. There are other bodies also, but the one which I have told you are the main bodies. Apart from that, there are other bodies which plays important role in mutual fund operation. Later I will include them in discussion.